Certainly guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm going to take you on a 2-day weekend trip out on a boat. I'm going to go lay down, camp out, go on a boat for a bit.
We lose ourselves.
Cue ridiculously long travel time lapse.
Spirit of things, we lose our sight, trust in things, and this material world, things that fade away, let me keep coming back, 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 keep coming back.
Lovely weather today. We're going to get the boat in the water. I'm going to send the drone up.
Spirit of things, we lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, the things that fade away, let me keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back.
And just like that, I'm on the boat. We're going to go see the SS Montgomery now. We're just coming up to the SS Montgomery now. Right there. Base camp.
I've got a cup in the car.
We're just putting the camp together. We had a bit of problems just now with the trailer. We was out for about 2 hours on the water, and we left the trailer attached to one of the other guys' 4x4s whilst we was out on a boat, and he's forgot that it was attached to the back of the boat, to the back of the 4x4. So he's tried to go around the bend basically there, and he's gone into the railings completely dented, twisted the frame of the trailer. So we just spent an hour trying to fix it. But it's all fixed now. The boat's back on it. Lovely, happy days. Let's get this tent put up.
What are you doing? And here comes
Perforating.
Preparing salad.
To Andy Cunningham, who sadly passed away last week.
Tent's up.
It's not making no difference, man.
What you doing?
I'm crying, brother.
Smoke getting in your eyes.
Yeah, man.
What we got on there? We got burgers, sausages and chicken.
Some smoking hash, man. We got hash.
What else we got? Oh, tandoori chicken skewers. Maple barbecue pork loin steaks. They are getting munched. Look at that sunset. That's beautiful.
That's since I was a fucking kid.
Go through here. Go through here. We've got the toilet. What happens if you need a piss and it's raining?
Get wet.
Do you hear that? I said to him, what happens if you need a piss and it's raining?
Get wet.
You get a wet head.
You get wet. Yeah.
What head?
2 wet heads.
Yeah, 2 wet heads. Gonna send the drone up, get some good aerial shots.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away. Yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back. Of things we know.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. It is a beautiful cloudless day at the seaside. Still just waking up. What are we doing here?
We're just having a butcher's at the fucking dodgy shit that they done, mate.
What, the wheels?
Oh, the wheels. Not seen how they strapped it on. Not seen how they strapped it on, mate. The outside that.
Oh, bloody hell, it's not even
Strapped it
touching.
on. Oh, it was him done it. Yeah.
It's not even touching.
Dan, did you see how he strapped it on, mate, the other side?
It wasn't floated back onto the trailer properly. And at the moment, the tide's out for the next 9 hours or so, so we've got to wait 9 hours. Well, not 9 hours, we've got to wait about 7 hours, 6 hours before we can put the boat on the water.
That's what I mean.
Apart from when I got my little.
Come and say something to me.
Good morning.
What's that thing, babe?
Go on, I will
You
have
want to take that somewhere
Good
where I don't
morning.
want to see you? Go.
a coffee.
Go away.
Want coffee?
Go.
I know why I'm going to the toilet, mate.
This is angry mummy doing the washing up. She's still half
I want to
asleep.
get a new Peugeot 3000.
Wait, my Lithuanian friends, they gave me copious amounts of beer last night.
Did they give you copious amounts of beer last night?
Lithuanian beer is nice. It's really nice. It's like an off Stella. Yeah. We're like the only campsite that had a TV last night. Sitting here watching a bloody film in a tent.
Oh man, it's the 21st century. You don't cancel about TV now.
Or a microwave.
Oh my God.
I was just saying to everybody, last night when the sun was setting, I took the drone out for a spin. I'll put a video up now. And I went about a mile down this road that way, about the height of these lampposts, and then I flew straight back at the same height. All the way down that way, about half mile, and there's a pub just there. And as I flew past the pub, because I was so low, everyone outside the pub that was drinking could see the drone. I'm like, what the hell is that? And I just missed a telephone wire that was going across the road at the height of the lamppost. I nearly hit it with the Mavic. I just missed it. You'll see it in the video.
Gotta get up now, look.
I'd just like to say, when you go fishing at the beach, please be responsible and throw the whale back. This is our attempt at deflating an air mattress.
I don't think the valve's open, is it?
I have to plug it in.
The valve's not open to let the air out.
Just charging everything up on the Mavic. 2 will do for the day.
Hope you see him, mate.
I'll whack them in the fridge. You want one?
Cheers, fella. Ding dong.
Here, mate.
Lithuanian beer from our neighbours next door. I got a breakfast beer courtesy of the neighbours. Literally just see the best looking camper vans ever. What is it? You having a camping shower? Camping shower.
Is the water in or out?
What do you mean?
It's tied up.
No, it's still out.
That's it. We're done.
Tar. Just gonna take the drone for a fly over here. I think they're flying remote control planes. They're on the ground at the moment, so I ain't gonna cause no danger, but I want to fly the drone over to these guys.
lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away. Yet you keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we
The old man's flying his power kite, gonna get some aerial shots.
Spirit of things, we lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world.
Well, we're nearly done now. We're just gonna we've packed away. We're just gonna quickly shoot down, get some fuel for the boat, fill it back up, and then we're gonna come back up, stick the boat back in the water, take it out for a couple of more hours, and then load the boat back up and go home. So this 2-day vlog is nearly over.
Yeah.
You going to Bobo?
Chilling.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away. Yet you keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know.
boat's back on. It's time to go home. He's turning in, so Sarah.